Your strongest moments don't happen in public, under the bright lights of applause. They happen in the profound, echoing silence of your own private world. It's in these quiet hours, when the world is asleep and you are alone with your thoughts, that the real work begins. This is the sacred space where you decide who you are going to be. People see the results, the polished final product. They see the confidence, the success, the seemingly effortless achievements. They witness the summit, but they never see the climb. They don't see the silent nights spent rewriting your life. One word, one line of code, one page at a time. They don't see the exhaustion that settles deep in your bones, or the flicker of the screen reflecting in your tired eyes as you push for just one more hour. They don't see you breaking habits that once defined you, or the quiet tears shed, not in defeat, but in release. They don't see you choosing the discomfort of healing over the false comfort of coping, replacing old patterns with small, deliberate rituals of self-care. True growth isn't loud. It's a deeply personal, internal revolution. It's the promise you make to yourself at 5 a.m. when the alarm goes off. The decision to lace up your shoes and meet the dawn while others dream. Real strength isn't always seen. It's forged in the empty gym, in the final, trembling rep when no one is there to spot you, when the only applause is the sound of your own heart pounding in your chest. This silence is your sanctuary. It's where you meet the unedited version of yourself, face your fears without flinching, and patiently rebuild your foundation, brick by brick. So never underestimate your quiet work. Every unseen effort, every moment of disciplined focus is shaping you into someone undeniably powerful. Honor your silent battles. Acknowledge the courage it takes to show up for yourself when no one is watching. Because these are the moments that matter most. They are the quiet tremors that are creating a much, much louder future.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.